So in this video, we'll talk about how to fix a problem. There is a critical error on this website problem. So first, you only see this error message, but you cannot see the details. So we need to display the details of your WordPress website. So because I'm using the GoDaddy, so let's log into GoDaddy cPanel, and then we need to display the details. So we need to go to the PHP version. And then we go to the options. So you need to make sure display errors is checked. So after you check this option, you will see an error message like that. Okay, so here's the detail error message. So this one usually is happened because you upgrade your PHP and there is a problem with your WordPress with the new PHP version, or it's because you incomplete upgrade your WordPress version. So to fix that, one of the solution is to downgrade your PHP version. So, for example, we go back to the PHP selector, and you can see here you can downgrade it to one more version. Okay, don't downgrade to the earliest version. Only downgrade to one more of yeah. And for example, you can check this one 7.3 and then refresh your website. So another solution, if you downgrade it, cannot fix that, you can go back to current version, and then you need manually reinstall your WordPress. Because when you see this error message, you cannot log into your WordPress admin channel. So you need to go to the cPanel again, and then you need let's see, you need to reinstall your WordPress. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. The GoDaddy cPanel is very slow, but let's wait. Okay, so in this case, you scroll down and find the software, and the software is installation installer, application installer. Click that. You will see your website, WordPress version. Okay, so for example, for this one, the version is not is too old. You need click the icon here, update. The icon here. After you click the update icon, you can see the current version. Okay, so you will update to the 6.2, and then you want to create a backup. Then you click update. So it will take a while. Don't go to the other page because it will doing the update for you. So don't refresh this page. So now it's starting the update. Please waiting for it to finish to 100%. Then everything should be okay for your website. So maybe there is another problem because your plugin not working. So in that case, you need using your cPanel again. I will show you later after it finishes the update. Okay, that's me using FTP software to do that. So when you're using your FTP software, you log into your website and find the public HTML. Then you find your website folder and then go to web contents. Here you can see the plugin folder here. You just rename it to .old, then save it. Okay. So after that, you can try to relog in your website. It should be, if it is, you can see the website, that means your plugin has problem. Then what you can do is rename it back, and then check. Okay. Let's rename it back. Okay, rename back. For some reason I cannot rename it because maybe during the update I cannot rename it. So rename it back, and then you can see all your plugins installed in your computer. You can one by one rename it to .old and see which one caused the problem and try to only reinstall that plugin for your website. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.